T-minus 15. 10.
9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. And liftoff of Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich, continuing a legacy of ocean observation and international collaboration to benefit all humanity.
M1D propulsion is nominal. M1D propulsion is nominal.
Power and telemetry nominal. Vehicle is supersonic. Vehicle is experiencing maximum aerodynamic pressure.
So there we heard that call for max Q. We also heard vehicle is supersonic, meaning it's traveling faster than the speed of sound. A beautiful shot there from the first stage looking down towards Earth and seeing the plume there created by those 9 Merlin 1D engines. Beautiful clear skies there from Vandenberg on the ground, able to track with that rocket as you see it on screen now. Just a reminder coming up here very quickly, we're going to hear booster or first stage engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
Booster separation is there, visible on screen now. Beautiful shot. There's the backflip, as Jesse mentioned, beginning with the Falcon booster.
Stage 1 boost back burn has started.
And that second engine looks like it has lit. You can start to see the engine bell there turning an
Both
orange.
vehicles are following nominal trajectories. Fairing separation confirmed.
And there goes the fairing. That's exposed. That is Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich there on your screen. That is the satellite that has been exposed now because the fairings have been jettisoned and separated, and you just saw it there tumbling away. Some beautiful shots on the way to orbit. Second stage Merlin vacuum engine, MVAC as we like to call it, that produces around 210,000 pounds of thrust once it's on orbit in the vacuum of space.
Stage 1 entry burn has started.
All right, so call for the entry burn there. I think Daryl and Marina are ready for us. They should be there with Jesse to talk us through the landing. How was launch?
Oh my goodness!
It was incredible.
It was incredible.
That's why we're late. We're all
we're
all talking at the same time. It's great. Can you tell that we were excited? We were standing there. We saw it. It was so clear we could see the separation as it was going the entire time. Jesse, I mean, isn't that
awe-inspiring?
Mind is blown.
So it's going to be landing right behind us, and we've got a view now of the actual booster coming back. It's got its grid fins out. And that's helpful. It has to use those things.
Yep, it has to help steer it as it's making its way back to land. So it's the steering mechanism.
It's really interesting that it lands right next to the launch pad. We have a little tent over top of us, so we're not going to see that first boost back burn. But we have a clear shot of it coming down onto the pad. The other thing we're waiting for, and we're making sure that we keep track of, is the engine cutoff of stage 2. And we're going to call that out. Here it comes. There it is!
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Coming in at an angle
my God.
and just straightening out. What do you think, Jesse? That's amazing.
Oh my goodness, I might cry right now.
This is so incredible. Every time I see this, it's just
Slowing down so perfectly.
perfect.
Just hovering. There's the sonic booms we talked about, and touchdown.
Oh my
We heard
God.
that.
Oh, that was
Yes.
And Falcon 9 has landed at LZ4. Landing operators
Beautiful.
proceed into 11.100 on recovery
I'm a
2.
little
the
teary-eyed right now.
echo of the power to see it here in person, to feel it.
Oh, and like Jesse said, no matter if you see it or not, you always hear it, right? That's
So with the rocket, we bring all the gas with us. There's not gas stations in the way. So we want to try and use as little as possible. And so just the way that it works is that, we start
Hey, Callie, I want to jump in there for
we
a
fly
second.
up in
Just
the
to
early
say,
parts to a
we're
park.
looking at the spacecraft separation right now. I want to let you finish, but we're getting that live, and I wanted to call that out for you. So there goes Sentinel-6. That is a beautiful sight. Watching it drift off there. Again, we are kind of shaded by the Earth, so we're not in direct sunlight at this time. So that's why it's as dark as it is. If the sun were on this side of the Earth, we'd see a little bit more of that, but that's going to kind of just drift off, and that's completely normal and expected. So, Callie, I do want to let you finish. Sorry for jumping in there.
No, yeah, that's the part, exciting part. When the rocket's done its job.